Capricorn, what's up? How you guys doing? I would like to thank you guys for tuning in to Only the Realist. We're going to be doing a 5 card pick, one overall energy, and one gift from the universe. I hope that you guys have all had a wonderful day out there. And without further ado, we're going to jump right into your reading, okay? Too many? All right. All right, so we have beauty, okay. All right, so it looks like you guys are trying to well, first of all, let's get with the communication, okay? So we have 4 as our communication number, okay? So you guys are definitely trying to either communicate with spirit or the universe about things that are going on, okay? But you guys are definitely looking at your self-worth, okay? You guys are looking at your self-worth. Um, Possibly trying to see if you are good enough for someone, or possibly an opportunity that you have coming forward to you. Really not in your head, but you are, a little bit self about it, okay? See what else we got going on here for you guys, okay? Yeah, but it looks like once you get out of this, once you understand your self-worth, you're going to be uh you're going to be inspired, okay? Something's going to inspire you and push you forward, okay? We have 1 and 9, which is a transformative number, okay? So you guys are definitely transforming, okay? Finding things out that are helping to give you knowledge and inspire you to be better for yourself, okay? Yeah, self-worth, okay? All right, and we have prosperity. Okay, yeah. So, um, a lot of you guys may be inspired by a new opportunity to make money in a certain way. Okay, so you guys are definitely looking more into that. Uh, to find more ways to evolve that, or to develop it, okay, or to find a firm foundation for it, okay. But you guys are definitely coming into prosperity, okay. Things are looking bright for you guys, and and it looks like you guys are coming in on a good footing with it, okay. Yeah, picking finally seeing the fruits of your labor in certain parts of your journey, um, and being content. Okay, most of all, just being content. Yeah, because you know that there's abundance. Okay, within whatever you're doing. Okay, so just continue to do that self work on yourself. Continue to find your worth. Okay, um, uh, uh, it might seem like we always know our worth, but there's always other parts of worth that we have not figured out yet, and that we are always continuing to figure out, okay? So continue to figure out your worth, okay? Not saying that you guys are not in your worth, but there's just always other parts of worth that we look for, that need to be understood, that need to be um, um, found in different compartments in our journeys, okay. So yeah, abundance, okay. Yeah, getting praise or recognition, or just getting more love than you usually do, um compliments, gifts, more money and things, okay. um More appreciation for who you are and what you do, okay. Beautiful energy, guys. And we have synchronicities of 2s, 3s, and 4s, okay. So if you guys are seeing that, just know that you guys are on the right path. You guys are on your right life path, okay. All right. And we have healing. Some of you may be dealing with an Aquarius, but you don't have to. That's just the energy, okay. So yeah, there's some things. Okay, back to the self-worth, okay. Yeah, there are some things that you guys are healing from still, which is not an issue. We're always healing from things from past traumas, from childhood traumas, from even present traumas. Okay, but continue to heal those things. Okay, go in depth. Okay, this is part of your self-worth. Okay, go in depth, find those things that need to be sorted out and removed and cut out and replaced by better things. Okay, more positive actions, more positive corrections towards the actions that you do or the actions of others that have put you in this kind of state of being. Okay, healing is not always an easy process, but healing is a very beautiful process. Okay, it gives you a lot of understanding, it gives you wisdom, it gives you knowledge on things that you did not have knowledge upon before. Okay, and see, once you do all of this work on yourself, we have harvest. Okay, yeah, so everything that you've been doing within work, okay, going into work every day, making sure that you put in your effort to make sure that work is done, or business, okay, making sure that you wake up every day and complete the tasks that you need to complete for your business. Okay, um and even your self-worth and your healing process, this is all a part of your harvest as well. Okay, you will begin to see growth within your personal growth, within your harvest, by just continuing to be yourself and continuing to have the understanding of why things happen the way that they happen, not to you but for you. Okay, and that was your overall energy. Okay, yeah, you harvesting the fruits of your labor, the prosperity and the abundance that you worked for. Okay, there you go, and you get from the universe's imagination. So yeah, go back to your childlike senses, open your imagination, open your mind up to the possibilities of things that can happen for you, as long as you do the work, as long as you continue to have a positive mindset, as long as you thrive to see the results. Okay, effort is one thing, but the results from the effort is another thing. Okay, thrive to continue to see the results of your work. Okay, this is beautiful right here, guys. Beautiful, beautiful energy. Anyways, guys, continue to heal. Okay, continue to heal. It's gonna benefit you in so many ways. Okay, anyways, I would like to thank you guys for tuning in to Only the Realists. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. I'd really like to hear what you have to say. And if you guys have been with the gang, I love you guys so much. Monistique, and I'll see you next time.